Hi, I'm Heather, and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm making a fun Halloween treat. They're called mummy dogs. It's very, very simple. I have a bunch of pre-cut Light Life hot dogs. These are plant-based hot dogs. My daughter and I are both vegetarians, so these are the hot dogs we like. They're sliced open, stuffed with cheese, and then I have crescent dough that I have cut into strips, and I'm gonna wrap them up like mummies and bake them. And they'll get a couple of little mustard eyeballs to show that they're mummies, and that's it. It's really, really simple and it's fun. So you just take it, start like this, and you can wrap it however you want. Mummies aren't supposed to be organized looking. So I was doing mine in an overlap fashion. I'm going to start from the opposite side. And it almost looks like a shoe, but basically at the end you're going to get something like that. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees, and these will bake for roughly 10 to 12 minutes. Not super long. You want to make sure that the dough is done. Nothing worse than doughy mummy dogs, right? These are all wrapped and ready to go. I had some extra dough, so I just made a couple little crescent rolls on the side. They can bake with them. So I'm going to put them in the oven now for about 10 minutes, check them at 10 minutes. They could take up to 15, but check them at 10. So we'll see these in a few minutes. Hi, they ended up taking about 15 minutes to bake. The crescent rolls that I had with them had to come out earlier, so just be aware of that. If you bake them separately, they will bake faster without hot dogs in them. So here are my mummy dogs. They're really cute looking. So you just kind of put the little mustard eyeballs in between the mummy wraps, and you can obviously eat them with ketchup, mustard, plain, whatever you want to do. They refrigerate really well, and if you don't eat them right away, I highly recommend when you heat them up, if you put them in the microwave for like 30 seconds and then put them in a skillet and kind of rotate them around so that the dough doesn't remain doughy. It's really kind of nasty when it's doughy. So if you rotate it in a skillet just like you would with leftover pizza to get it crispy again, that makes it really yummy when you heat it up. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a lot of fun, very, very easy. Kids love these things. I highly recommend them. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications.